Hello foodies and welcome to my channel. Let me show you a very innovative and simple recipe for fresh wraps in an Indian way using chutney. Make it for your evening snack and enjoy with some tea. A quick and easy guilt-free recipe. Come on. I have the detailed recipe in the description box below. We will start with the chutney, which is the best part of these fresh wraps. All fresh herbs to give that crisp taste. I have shown this chutney recipe before, but I have made a few changes. Add salt as per your taste and we will add some sugar to balance the flavor. Lemon juice for a nice tang. We will first blend this with a little water and then add more water as required to make a smooth chutney. This is the perfect consistency. Keep it aside for a while. Here I have a few veggies that I have thinly sliced lengthwise. You can also add red and green peppers if you like. I have baby spinach to go with these veggies. This is rice paper and I'm using a large size for easy folding. Dip one in water, make sure all sides are moistened and place onto a plate. Place the prepared chutney in a thin layer and start layering and stacking the veggies one on top of each. Thin slices make it easy to layer well. Season with salt and pepper and place the spinach and start wrapping. Bring in the sides and then tuck and roll all the way. Roll as tightly as possible to make a nice tight wrap to keep the veggies together. Let me show you one more time. If you like my recipes, then click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. This is a perfect detox recipe. Looks awesome, don't you think? Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.